So here we go, guys. This is the 2013 Contenders 2013 Triple Threads dual break number 10. So we got to crack into the next 9-boxer. And if you guys remember, I wrote the number 2 on there for us. But here's everybody that's up in this break. Triple Threads. Here we go. Look at Big Steve and Spidey, Anthony, Big Show. Oh, Wiley, he's still up. Go to bed, dude. There it goes. That's that noise. Okay. Berserker's here. Here's everybody there. Come on. All right, let's crack up into this. So that means that there's 2 case hits in here, my friends. So we're just going to work our way through like we normally do. Okay. All right, Contenders, we started to heat up a little bit. I can see Wiley in the hospital being like, "Hey, there's this live show that's talking about me right now. I like it." Oh, what did I say? What did I say? We are heating up. Yeah. Little on-card make it mounty. That's a way to start off this break. First pack pull, hashtag it. Yeah, you'll take it, Spidey. I like it. Nice hit, brother. It's been a long day for all of you. You bet, man. You bet. Yeah, I think the rookie inks are SP. Yeah, as in short print. Here's a Michael. Ooh, fumble forward. Going to Chi-Town, Big Show. You know what? Freaking trooper, Big Show. Hanging in there tonight. Let's see if we can't grab something weird for him here. So that's the true rookie of Michael Ford. I don't know how you got Denver at the 10th spot, man. That's pretty phenomenal. So and Matt Sims. We've seen him way too many times, but whatever. Going to the Jets. Anthony LP, 1985. There you go, buddy. Now, hopefully that rookie ink doesn't count as one of the on-card autos, and hopefully they just give us a bonus, which I've seen it happen before. So we're in dual break number 10. We're going all the way up to 12. So if you're hanging out late night, thank you so much for being here. We just had one of these, but this is actually the rookie ticket, Denard Robinson, which will be numbered, I'll be going to B-Rad. That's numbered 84 out of 99. Does Johnny Manziel go to Jacksonville? Yes or no? Because I forget who it was today that was like, well, the new updated thing shows that the Browns take Johnny Manziel to number 4 draft pick, and I don't know. Wait. Oh, I thought that was going to be the true rookie. That would have been super short print if that was the true rookie. It's not, though. 67.99 Desmond, true font. Going to Big Steve. There you go, player. Got that 31 draft pick hit. There you go. So now the playoff tickets and the cracked ice and the rookie inks and all that stuff are starting to fall from the contenders' heavens here. So let's see if we can finish strong. To quite strong. What? No, 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 no. There's no way. 2 Monties, 1 box. Is it true? Can it happen? Is it? Oh my gosh. Dude. Hey, this one's real short print. 7 out of 25. Dude, 2 Monties, 1 box. Hashtag it for me. AD. Somebody do it. Rookie of the Year contenders, 7 out of 25. Dude. Spidey. Look at this. AD, just snap it. I love it, dude. 2 Monties, 1 box. Did I not tell you that Contenders heats up at the end? I don't know what's been going on lately. It never used to be like that, but let's see. Hey, that's some solid hits, Spidey. See, everything comes full circle, guys. I promise you. I absolutely promise you. Because it was just the other day I was talking to Spidey and he was just like, dude, kind of on a drought, man. And I was like, dude, I promise it happens to everybody. He's like, no, I know, man. So Spidey, there you go, man. That's a nice little comeback. I'll take that all day. Now the crazy thing is, you got a little guy in there. What if there's a little schmonty in there? NBA Cousin Vinny. They're both eBay 101s because that's the first time it's ever happened. Ever. Big Stevie, I love it. Heard that. Did you hear that? Oh my gosh. Okay. Here's a playoff ticket. Playoffs. Torrey Smith. Any more? What? Yeah. I knew I had him around here somewhere. All right, Torrey Smith, playoff ticket to 99. We're down to the last pack here of Contenders. All right, so not a bad box, though, if you think about it. Really think about it. Of Contenders. I might have to empty this trash can again, dude. Come on. All right, here we go. Triple threads out of the new 9-box mini case. Got 2 case hits waiting for us very patiently. One of them being a book, the other one being a 1 of 1. Here is Paid Manny, 47 out of 50. AJ Green, 252 out of 320. Little Baby Cutlet, Russ, DeMarco. And then you got Joseph Randall, 48 out of 50. Going to Dallas, K-Spec, and Niall Davis, 29 out of 50. Nice little patch in there. Going to KC, Big Stevie. Now, Big Stevie, I'll tell you what. You go to the forum, E. Andis. I'm not sure if he's on the forum or not, but he's in the breaks all the time here. Big KC fan. Use the forum. I'm telling you what, we have the most active forum out of any break site. I promise you that. And I got the best headband on right now. How about that? No, Mike. Long story. Anyway. All right, here we go. We get something weird in here. Just getting like extra cards. All right, there's actually extra cards in here. Here's San Antonio Holmes, 10 out of 25. Dan Marino, 19 out of 50. Colin Kaepernick, 102 out of 170. Usually there's only 2 serial number cards in a box, so they give us an extra one. D-Mac, Sammy Bradford, Mikey Wallace, and, hey, Kaepernick, 11 out of 18, 181 rush yards. Yes. Going to San Fran, which, that'd be Mikey Wiley. And Manti. Hey, Stevie. How's your Manti Te'o collection looking right now? Strong to quite strong. You got one from Spectra coming. How about that? 45 out of 50. Just playing around. So Stevie does. No, hey, you know what? He lives out in San Diego. Why not get a couple San Diego hits? All right, here we go.